Courage is the discovery that you may not win, and trying when you know you can lose. Honor is standing for what you believe, not for what you know. Life isn't about living without problems. Life is about solving problems. If you plow the field every day, the only thing that grows is resentment. Compassion is passion with a heart. The only thing in the whole universe people need to control are their attitudes. How a person wins and loses is much more important than how much a person wins and loses. If you only do what you know you can do, you never do very much. There are no failures, just experiences and your reactions to them. Getting what you want is not nearly as important as giving what you have. Talent without humility is wasted. If you don't want it bad enough to risk losing it, you don't want it bad enough. When life knocks you down, you have two choices. Stay down or get up.